I have a request from a TikTok fan to do a video. He said his house got struck by lightning and now his Xbox One X doesn't work. Sorry, a stick fell on a transformer outside. So I plugged it up here. Let's see if it powers on. Oh, and it turns off right away. Let's take it apart. Ethernet port is burnt. So I took the shell off and boom, you can see the burn mark right there. I don't know if this one is repairable, but let's see. Even the foam is burnt right there. No way. But yeah, let's try anyways. Let's remove this board. Wow, just wow, look at this. Ah, bro, this thing is dead. I don't even know. Let's remove this port first of all. Or maybe clean up or something. I don't know. So I cleaned it up here and yeah, this is not looking good at all. The layers of the board are all melted together here. Let's remove this port and then test. We just removed it here, let's clean up. So that chip right here, look at it. It's cracked fully, we gotta replace it. But let's remove it first and maybe remove all of the other capacitors around it as well. So I removed the chip over here and you see the traces. They're all burnt up, the ones that were connected to the port. Let's go test this board. Let's see what happens. All right, I put it together here just to test, and it kind of turned itself on before. Now we power it on and it turns back off. I got my thermal cam here, checking for heat spots. With my multimeter here, I found shorts that I didn't see before here and here. So let's inject some voltage. All right, I think we found the first chip. Let's remove it. It's that one right there. All right, after removing all these chips here, the short is kind of gone. I tried to go and test for the other one right here, and I'm pulling 1 amp. Thermal cam, it's the south bridge, and that's fried. Let's remove it. We have it under the machine here, and we just started the first phase. Here the chip has been removed here, let's clean up. All right, we cleaned it up enough here, let's test. So the short that's here from the south bridge is gone, that's good. However, we still have this short. We still have it connected here, and under the thermal cam, we can see that the CPU is the one that's shorted. This one is dead, boys.